With the November election right around the corner now, some election officials are waiting for guidance after a court ruling late last week. That ruling set a new law on how absentee ballots are being examined as unconstitutional. Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine has our latest update.
In a lawsuit filed in Saratoga County, state Republican and conservative parties sued state Democratic leaders and the New York State Board of Elections. The plaintiffs challenged the constitutionality of a law signed last year regarding the procedure in which absentee ballots are examined before Election Day. Republican Assemblyman Robert Smullen is one of the plaintiffs in the case, which was taken up by the New York State Supreme Court.
There are a lot of safeguards that are in place for absentee ballots. What we want to do is make sure that those safeguards remain in place because the pandemic is over and we need to get back to normal procedures for elections to ensure that one citizen gets one vote.
The judge sided with the plaintiffs regarding the procedure for examining absentee ballots, which has caused confusion 2 weeks before Election Day.
There's no actual order from the trial court saying what you can or can't do. There's a decision that says the change in the law is unconstitutional. So everybody, the boards are confused. Some boards have stopped counting absentee ballots. They're waiting for direction either from the court or from the State Board of Elections.
I reached out to the State Board of Elections but did not get a response. I'm told the lawsuit does not impact how or why voters can vote absentee and that they can still send in their ballots. The New York Attorney General's Office, Common Cause, and other defendants filed a notice of appeal and a request for a stay. The case will be taken up by the Appellate Division on November 1st. In Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
And which